What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today we have a new dance tutorial for you. So the title of this song is called Pia Mia. It's called Princess Pia Mia, but I do a remix. So I do an instrumental in the beginning. So let's start. Alright, let's start. Maybe we move back a little bit. So for this, you're gonna go up, 1, sit on 2, go 3, look to your left, and 4. Let's continue. Go 5 and 6, change on 7, 8. Okay, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, sit, 3, and 4, go 5, 6, and 7, 8. Next, 7, 8, go 1, 2, not 4. Okay, go 5, 6, and 7, close on 8. Okay, that's the second 8. Let's try. Okay, so go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's combine 1 and second first. First as 1 and second. First and second. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and 1, sit, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, nut 4, 5, shoulder 7, and 8. Okay, next chest and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, active, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, one more time from here. 6, 7, 8, 1. Basically, because your left knee is like this. Your weight is on your right. So 7, 8, and 1. Change 2, 3, step up. 5, 4, and 5, 6. Step. Set. Lift. Go 1, 2, 3, 1, 8. Active. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue. So from here, use your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7. Step on 8. One more time. 6, 7, 7. Active. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, go 1. This one is going down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Go 5 and 6, 7, 8. Let's combine. So 5, 6, 7, and hips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, push 8, down 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay? Next, from here, cross 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, stay on 7, cross on 8. Okay? Then 1, 2, hold. Yes! Until there, we're finished. So let's try one more time from here. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and down 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, hip 3, 4, close 5, 6, stop 8, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes! Good job. Let's try everything from the beginning. Ready? So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, not 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 up and 1, change 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, athlete 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hips now 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and falling down 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, hips 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. Yeah! Good job! Okay. Thank you so much guys for listening. I hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like on our video. Okay? We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Happy Mid-Autumn Festival.